When it comes to innovative housing solutions that blend convenience, affordability, and sustainability, the Expandable Foldable Tiny House fold-out 40-foot container stands out in the burgeoning market of compact living. This foldable design has the potential to revolutionize how we think about space, particularly for those seeking minimalistic lifestyles or alternative housing options. From the moment you set eyes on the Expandable Foldable Tiny House, it's clear that functionality and modern aesthetics were key considerations in the design process. The exterior features a sleek, contemporary look, made possible by high-quality materials that not only ensure durability but also enhance insulation. The aesthetic appeal of the container is complemented by its practical design elements, such as large windows that allow for natural light to fill the interior. This is an essential feature, as it creates an illusion of spaciousness in what is essentially a compact living environment. The folding mechanism is, in my opinion, one of the most impressive aspects of this tiny house. In just a matter of minutes, the unit can be expanded to provide a comfortable living area that can accommodate various layouts depending on your needs. When collapsed, it can easily be transported or stored, making it a perfect option for those who value mobility and flexibility. This is particularly beneficial for individuals or families who may wish to relocate frequently or those who want to experience different environments without the commitment of traditional housing. Inside the tiny house, the layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space while ensuring comfort. The floor plan typically includes a multi-purpose living area that can be adapted for sleeping, dining, or relaxing. The modular furniture options further enhance this adaptability. The kitchen area is compact yet functional, featuring essential appliances and ample storage to meet daily needs. While some may find the kitchen space a bit limited, it is well planned, making use of every inch to ensure that you have everything you need without feeling cramped. One of the standout features of the Expandable Foldable Tiny House is its eco-friendliness. Built with sustainable materials and designed to minimize waste, this tiny house reflects a growing trend towards environmentally conscious living. It can also be equipped with renewable energy solutions, such as solar panels, making it a practical choice for those wishing to live off-grid. This aspect aligns perfectly with the values of many modern consumers who are increasingly aware of their carbon footprint and are eager to make responsible lifestyle choices. However, potential buyers should consider a few factors before making a purchase. While the tiny house is designed to be efficient, the limited space means that it may not suit everyone's lifestyle. Families with multiple children or those who enjoy entertaining large groups might find the space restrictive. The efficiency of the living area is commendable, but the overall layout may require some creative organization and minimalist living principles. Another consideration is the initial cost versus long-term savings. Although the price point for the Expandable Foldable Tiny House may seem steep at first, it's important to weigh this against the potential savings on utilities, property taxes, and the overall lower cost of living that tiny houses can provide. Additionally, the quality of the materials and construction techniques employed in this product merit a longer lifespan than traditional homes, which can offset the investment over time. Maintenance is another aspect to consider. Like any home, the Expandable Foldable Tiny House will require care to ensure it remains in top condition. The exterior materials are designed to withstand various weather conditions, but regular inspections and maintenance are crucial for longevity. In terms of assembly, potential buyers should note that while the initial setup can be done relatively quickly, it may require 2 or more people. For efficiency, understanding the folding mechanism and ensuring everything is aligned correctly can be somewhat daunting for first-time users, but once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process. In conclusion, the Expandable Foldable Tiny House fold-out 40-foot container presents a compelling option for those looking to downsize, minimize their environmental impact, or simply enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Its innovative design, eco-friendly construction, and practical features make it an attractive choice for a wide range of consumers. While it may